So once it dries a little, I'll take a little more, got to be like a little more, and I'll